In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix iPhone stuck in guided access mode. iPhone trapped in an app and won't let you escape? Don't panic. Here's how to break free from guided access mode. Guided access mode can be a lifesaver for parents or when you need to lock your phone to one app, but getting stuck in it is incredibly frustrating. Let me show you how to get out. The normal way to exit guided access is triple clicking the home button or side button, depending on your iPhone model. If you have Face ID, triple click the side button. If you have Touch ID, triple click the home button. This should bring up the guided access menu. If that works, you'll need to enter your guided access passcode to end the session. If you forgot the passcode, don't worry. You can use your iPhone's main passcode or Touch ID, Face ID if you set it up that way. But what if triple clicking doesn't work? Sometimes guided access gets stuck and won't respond to the normal exit method. In this case, try forcing a restart. For newer iPhones, quickly press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. For older iPhones with home buttons, hold the home button and power button together until the Apple logo appears. This force restart will break you out of guided access mode. If you're still stuck after restarting, the problem might be a deeper software issue. You might need to restore your iPhone using iTunes or Finder on a computer, but that's pretty rare. To prevent this from happening again, consider setting up Touch ID or Face ID for guided access instead of just a passcode. It's much harder to get locked out when you can use biometric authentication. Thanks for watching.